Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to another bathroom review video. And we're here at Plaza Real in Monterrey, Mexico, and these are all Sloan Fixtures. So this is the some things aren't working. We have a few urinals here, which some of these are American Standard, many of them are Sloan. Yep, such a good flush. We're gonna omit the next one. We have one American Standard here. I think it's too gross too. This one doesn't flush well. Alright, let's go check out the commodes now. There's the two accelerator dryers. And these commodes are also Sloan, and these used to be an American Standard. Alright. There it is. Just want to take a quick picture of it. We're gonna omit this one because it's occupied. These are Sloan with the 100 spot sensor. These were American Standard before, so, and then they got replaced with these. All right, we have one more. Again, the Sloan. All right. Well, anyways, there you all have it. And that's it.